If you aren't saving money on orders with Printify coupons, then you need to watch this. Everyone loves a good discount, except when they miss out on it. So in this video, I'll show you how to find and use Printify coupons, plus what you need to get right before you end up paying the full price. There are 4 kinds of coupons offered by Printify. Coupons that give a free premium subscription, ones that take money off specific items, coupons that offer shipping discounts, and now ones that also offer percentage-based discounts. The first type lets you access Printify's premium plan at no cost. It's a great way to try out premium features like 20% off most products in our catalog, get dedicated customer service from our very own support team with Printify Connect, and the option to connect up to 10 stores to your account. Flat discount coupons offer a set amount of money that can be used to pay for eligible production costs on specific items. For example, if you have a $10 coupon for t-shirts and order a $5 t-shirt and a $10 sweatshirt, the coupon will only apply to the t-shirt. These discounts are especially useful when purchasing samples or hosting giveaways on your social media, especially to reward a customer with a free item without paying for it yourself. The same goes for the shipping discount coupons, which apply to shipping fees only. Finally, we've also got percentage-based coupons, like 25% off production. These types of coupons only apply to an item's production cost and not the shipping. Now, if you're thinking, all this sounds great, but where can I actually find any of these coupons? The short answer is everywhere. We add special coupon codes to our emails, social media, and promotions all the time. Heck, on our live show, Clicks to Riches, right here on YouTube, we even like to give them out 3 times. And to make sure you never miss out on a free coupon again, don't forget to subscribe to Printify. There are 2 ways to apply a coupon code. The first is through your Printify wallet. On the left side of your Printify account, navigate to your wallet and select Reward Center. On the following page, click on the Coupons tab up top and then enter in your code. Here, you'll also be able to clearly see your used, unused, and expired coupons all in one place. Another way to apply a coupon code is during checkout. If your coupon has already been added to the Reward Center, it'll automatically appear in the billing section when you're ready to submit your order. You'll even see which of your coupons are eligible for that particular order, along with a clear breakdown of what that coupon applies to. You can now also use multiple coupons on the same order if they're eligible. If your coupon code hasn't been added to the Reward Center just yet, no worries. You can still type it directly into the billing section and apply it to the order directly. And that's it. Congratulations, you just saved a bunch of money. Feels good, doesn't it? Except the savings don't just end there. There's more than one way to use a Printify coupon. Premium subscription coupons, for example, can also be applied through your wallet. This time, scroll down and hit Subscribe under Printify Premium. Then, enter in the code on the next page under the Get Started button. If you want to apply store credit to an order coming in from your sales channel, there are a couple of other things you need to do first. If your order approval settings aren't adjusted, an order can be sent to production automatically before you have a chance to use your discount. So to change your settings, click on Orders in the Printify menu and select Go to Settings. Scroll down to the Order Submission section and select Manual. Then, when an order you want to apply a coupon to comes in, place it on hold. Open up the order details, click Edit Order, and then complete the steps to activate the coupon. Once you're ready, submit the order to production free of charge. Just don't forget to switch your approval settings back to automatic afterwards, if you need to. Remember, store details and order approval settings are set for each store separately. That's why if you have multiple stores linked to your Printify account, you'll need to adjust each store's approval settings individually. Although there are some factors that can prevent a coupon from working entirely, or in some cases, even accidentally using it up. So here's what you need to do to make sure it doesn't happen to you. One common mistake sellers make is trying to activate a free premium subscription coupon while their current subscription is still active. To redeem a free premium subscription, you have to deactivate your current plan first or wait for it to expire. Finally, if you're using a coupon from a specific promotion, make sure to check the eligibility rules. Depending on the campaign, some coupons may only apply to certain products or costs. If you're ever unsure, feel free to leave us a comment down below and we'll be happy to help. Printify coupons are a great way to save money on your orders. But if you're itching to get your hands on one, your next best bet is Clicks to Riches, our live show where Martin and I catch up on the latest in print on demand. Head to the live section of our channel to find out about the next one, and we'll see you there.